Hello and welcome to Nigerian Food TV. Today I'll show you how to prepare Mmiri Oku, which is the Igbo style yam and dried fish pepper soup. And here are the ingredients. First, clean the fish with hot water, take out the bones and set the fish aside for later use. Now cut the yams. Peel off the skin and rinse thoroughly in clean water. Transfer the yams into a pot. Add enough water to cover the yams, add a little salt and set to boil. Then add the chopped onions, pepper, and the cleaned fish. Also add ground crayfish, the ground pepper soup spice mix, seasoning cube, and a little palm oil. At this stage, you can add more water if you want to. Finally, add the scent leaf and uziza leaves and simmer for 2 more minutes. For this recipe, I will be using dried leaves. And here you have a delicious yam and dried fish pepper soup, also great for nursing moms, but go easy on the yam. Thank you so much for watching, and do give us a thumb up if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe and check out our website for more delicious recipes. See you in the next video. Goodbye.